What's up, everybody? Travis here, back with another Boost of i3 video. Today, we're at the junkyard. On our channel, I got that GMC short bed. I plan on putting a 5.3 liter LS motor in it. Right now, heading my way to the Chevys to look at some Suburbans, some Yukons. They told me they have plenty of those motors here. I just need to drive by cable. It's just easier, less wiring. And I'm hoping just to use the straight ECU and just that comes with a motor and just get the car going. I'm also looking for a G80 rear end. I believe it's a 3.73 gear ratio. It's a locking diff. It's not really an LSD, it's a locking diff. But only thing that sucks is all the ones they say here is a 6 lug. I was hoping to use a 5. But I could always change the hub assembly, the axles and all that, but I'm not really worried about that right now. First I gotta find it, and once I get that done, hopefully within the next couple months, having the motor, take it apart, rebuild it, put all the new like accessories on it, new alternator, new AC pump, AC compressor, new just stuff like that. Coming up to the first truck, I believe it's a GMC Sierra. It is. Let's see what diff it has. We're looking for a G80 code inside of the glove. Oh, look at that, G80. Perfect. So this rear end, six lug. So this rear end is a 3x7.3 gear ratio, I believe. It's a locking diff. All I really need is the U-bolts, the actual diff, and the drive axles themselves, along with the calipers, cut the brake lines, because the GMC has a drum set up in the back, so I want to go pistons and get rid of that drum. And obviously I'm gonna keep the e-brake assembly. I'll figure that out later. But found the diff, found the rear end. That's one step. Now let's go find the motor. By wire. God, there's vortex motors everywhere over here. Everything over here is a vortex. Vortex. But they all drive by cable. I mean wire. Vortex. Nothing. Okay, let's see this one. Got it. There's a motor right here. Drive by cable, baby. Now I need to see if it cranks, and to do that I need to turn that bad boy right there. Say hi to the camera. You're on Canon camera. Oh man. No, this is a carburetor, bro. I don't want a carburetor. So after some searching, we finally found the motor we're gonna go with, and it is out of this 2004 Tahoe. Cable driven. That's what we wanted. Got my buddy here. He's gonna take it out for us. So everything we're getting from this motor, we're gonna take off the alternator, we're gonna take off like the AC compressor, we're gonna take all the stuff that we don't need. We just want mostly all the wiring, all the hosing, the AC hose over there, and the fuse panel, along with the battery terminals. So while my buddy's taking apart the motor, dropping it for us, me, my main man Steven, my main man Brendan, we're gonna go look at this differential to make sure that it is a locking diff and not an open diff.
Why you gotta be forgetting the pry bar there, huh?
Oh, I got lucky. Oh yeah, let it rain. Let it rain. Look at that. Locking diff, baby. It's actually really good. Actually looks really good. I don't see any metal. No metal shavings. This is good. The fluid looks like it was maybe a year old.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah. So my buddy here, he's pulling the motor right now. He just got the whole core support off. He's going to town on the fuse box right now. Once we get this out, me and Steven are fully gonna completely break it apart and rebuild it. New pistons, rods, everything. Process is actually going really good. We actually found a locking diff out of the GMC Sierra. I opened up the diff cover and it was indeed a G80, which is perfect. So eventually, once we make more horsepower, we will go with a LSD, but for right now, a locking diff would be perfect. But as you can see, the process is going good. Got the cherry picker, 1,000 pound, and we're almost done. We're gonna get this motor and get it home.
Up there, bud. Oh, downhill.
Okay, I see you.
Yeah, dude, he's a master.
He's like, bro, I've done this 1,000 times.
Shut the hell up, Travis. That's what he's telling me.
That motor is missing.
Travis, that thing's bigger than your head, bro.
Okay, vamos, vamos. Yes. Aguas, aguas, aguas. Okay. One, two, three,
Go, 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 go. Good job. Thank you.
Woo! I'm already tired. Fat boy. This is gonna be dope, dude. Change everything. Plugs, coil packs, injectors, everything. Everything! Cool beans. Injectors in it. Tired. I got tired from watching them. So much work. It's okay, take your time. Yep.
I have to jack it. Just let me.
I have to jack it.
Yeah, I'll do that right now. Good job.
Gotta hold it. It's gonna slide forward more.
Well, I want to be able to scoot back a little. So. this back.
There you go. You're good.
Ah!
What's up?
So sketchy.
What?
Sleep,
Hey, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's just gonna come off with the tire.
All right.
Slow! Slow! Hang on! Pull the tire over that lip. There you go. Hold on. Pull forward. Yeah, you're good. Good. Oh, good. Is that good? Why don't you just pull it by the damn thing?
Go.
Here we go.
Because I'm gonna hold on the flywheel.
Okay.
Is there any hoses under there?
No, you gonna drop it. Hey.
Got a wonderful 5.3 liter LS Vortex. And then we also got a G80 limited slip diff that we pulled from a donor vehicle at the pick and pull.
So basically, our plans with this motor is the GMC Sierra short bed that you guys saw on our IG. We're going to end up swapping, taking that V6 out and putting this 5.3 liter in. Obviously, we want fuel injected. We no longer want carbureted. We got a deal for this motor. We got the motor and the rear end for a little under $1,000, and that comes on the motor with complete engine assembly harness, as well as a fuse box, the engine cover, just everything but the alternator. Granted, we're going to change the AC compressor. We're going to take the fan off. We're going to go with the radiator that has dual fans. We're going to clean up the pulleys when we get them off. We're going to change the headers, new oil pan. We're basically going to pull the entire motor apart. The motor cranked before we picked it up, so we know it's good. I wanted to say that we're back on YouTube because we did get suspended for a month for copyright, and it's literally for a 2-second song, and we got suspended for a month. So now we're back on YouTube. That's why all our videos were on IG. But please stay tuned for the build. It's going to be super, hopefully it goes super smooth. Doubt it, but it's going to be super dope. The plan for this car, like the S13, we want to finish by summer. So hopefully that goes as planned. So since it's a new year, it's now 2022. What are your little resolutions there, Steven? What do you hope to accomplish this year?
All right, well, what we're hoping to accomplish on the wonderful Focus ST out there.
What do we have for that?
Oh, man. Well, we got a wonderful, what is it, 6470 turbo.
Yeah.
And we're going to do a side mount on that. We're going to have to create an exhaust manifold and create a new downpipe also for that. But we're also going to relocate my battery, moving it to the back. Just make it a little bit more fancier in the engine bay, but also getting cooler air.
Yeah.
Also got a few new parts for it. I got some coilovers. Got a new intercooler, so we're going to be doing that hopefully soon. But first we got to finish these this S13 and now this project and some customers.
Yeah, this project's gonna be on the back burner. My goal is to I got a few goals. I need to lose weight. That's definitely a goal. I got fat since COVID, and I'm sure a lot of people could agree with me, but I did. But it's been 2 years, so I can't use that as an excuse anymore. That's my personal goal. But another goal that I hope to accomplish is the S13. The car literally we can just plug in the battery and crank it and it'll start. But obviously there's no coolant, so we don't really want to like run it. But all we really need to do now on the S13 is weld up some stuff for the core support and basically
Brake lines.
Brake lines.
Yeah, brake lines.
And we got the rear end, but the rear end, as if you guys saw on our IG, the new aluminum bushings already put in. So all we need to literally do is put everything together and put it back up, and then we can drop it. And then we got to do the rear end Z32 caliper conversion, which is kind of a pain, but we already got the front done. That's no big deal. And then another goal is getting this truck done, so my old lady could drive it, and that's gonna be super sweet though. But for this motor, we want to completely break it apart. I'm talking about block heads off, everything. We're gonna change every gasket, everything, new oil pan, everything's coming off. This motor's gonna look brand new when we're done. But we're gonna put this on the back burner because, like Steven said, we have a couple customers' cars. We have a 2018 STI and the bug eye swap that we need to finish. The bug eye swap the issue was that the drive axle broke all the bolts, and I don't know if that's because it went from an STI to a WRX. It was a swap, so it just wasn't strong enough, or he could have been driving hard. It's no big deal. But that's leaking. We ordered another one. Once that gets here, we're going to put it on and go from there with our customer. He wants us to pull the motor and completely rebuild it as well. So obviously we want to put that in front of everybody, as well as our buddy's 2018 STI. We're going to do a compression test here today, but we need to do that because we either he blew a piston ring or his head gasket because it's spitting up a lot of smoke. But those are my goals. I hope everyone had a decent New Year's. Hope none of you guys got drunk or got messed up or anything. But this year is going to be, we hope to set a goal of at least, like, how many subscribers do we want to get in this year?
How many do you have now?
That's not the freaking question. The question was,
for what, 1,000?
how many do we want? No, we can get more than that. At the end of this year, I want to shoot for like 25,000. I know it could happen. We're now posting a little bit more IG related stuff on IG, as in pictures, reels, stuff like that. Because we got suspended from YouTube, that's why we didn't really do nothing on YouTube. But we're back, so hopefully go out there, show us some love, show us some support. Any kind of work you guys need on any kind of car, let us know. We can build motors. But our goal here is performance. So if you guys need an oil change, I'm sorry, we're not doing it. I'm just keeping it 100. But hope you guys had a good 2021. Let's look forward to the future. You guys will definitely get a lot of content from us. It's only me, him, one of our other founders, but she's more of in the background. She does all the analytical and all that kind of stuff that's above our heads. So shout out to her. But we're going to get this stuff going. We have to at least pull the Subaru in here and at least break it apart tonight. But I appreciate you guys watching. Anything?
I got nothing.
Nothing? Check out our IG. It is _boostin with no G, BYE 3. So BOOSTIN BYE 3.
We're going to get it on the screen.
Yeah, go ahead, check us out. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, till the next time.
Peace.
Peace.